Hello, welcome to NAVIFORCE watch. Here it's the unboxing review studio time. Let's open the box and have a look at what I have bring you today. First, this is the manual book for this model, and this is our guarantee card. When you bought this watch, we will provide you 1 year guarantee. And then open it and find. Yes, it's a very nice watch today, and this is our new line of the TPU silicone watch strap. First of all, let's have a look at the screen for all the data details for this model NF8018T and have a close look at the camera. There are two kinds of the patterns combined to make this dial. And you can see there are 3 small windows on the dial, and pay attention this at 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock. These 2 small windows will make it into an hourglass shape, and because this is an chronograph stopwatch, and this small window at 12 o'clock is the 1/10-second chronograph, and this window is the second window, and this window at 9 o'clock position is the minute, is for the minute window. I will show you these 2 buttons. These 2 buttons is for the chronographic setting, and this crown is for the hands for the time setting. And we can use this button to start the chronograph. Okay, when this hands goes around 1 circle, this is the second, meaning the second windows will move 1 step, and when this windows goes around 1 circle, here the minute window will move 1 step. And when you finish the recording, okay, press again this button, then the record is stop, and press again can restart. And this button is for reset. It's a reset button for all the recording. Okay, comes to the original position. Okay, for this is our new kind of straps. I will show you how soft it is and very comfortable for put it and wear it. Whatever for summer or for winter, it's a very soft material. Okay, this watch we also have 2 layers of the case. The upper layer is the bezel, and the bezels we can see there are 4 numerals. The 16 and 15. Here is the numeral indices, and the hands and the inside indices we will have the luminous coating. I will show you the luminance now. Okay, now I have turned off all the light, and we can see the 2 hands, the hour and the mini hands. The arrow we have the luminous coatings on it, and this can make it easier to read when you're in the dunning. Okay, welcome back. These models we have 5 colors. Later I will show them all to you. Hello, welcome back. Just now I have shown you this blue color. Combine the yellow color and blue color TPU silicone watch strap. Do you like this color? Okay, then I will show you the next color is also the blue, but the case it's not silver, it's the rose gold, and the band we add the red color into the blue strap. It's very eye-catching. It's a very young and personality watch band. I like this strap very much. It's very soft and comfortable. And also we can have a close look at to the camera. You can find more details for this model. The button it's also the navy color, and but this two setting button it's the same color as the case. It's the rose gold, two layers case, the blue and rose gold color. Okay, I will compare these two colors with you. Which one do you like? Okay, then it's the next three one. Next three one is the main color. It's the black color, but the details something different are the strap color. The main color is it's black, but this one is the orange color, and this one is the red color, and this one adds the white color into the black strap. And this is a black combined the rose gold case. You can see here clear for this model. And also the barcode we use are the very high quality, the stainless steel sturdy color. This is very nice. I would like to wear it on my wrist. Hello, welcome back. This is the black combined the rose gold color on my wrist, and my wrist the white. The length is 14 cm. And this model, the case is a little large. For me, it's very cool. If some women you also like this style of the very cool, you also can try to wear this model. It's very cool and nice. Okay, the next color. Okay, here comes to the next color. It's the black combined the white colored windows, and the strap is black combined the red color. This black one also very hot sales for some young people. And now it's the last color, the black combined the white color. This color is a little simple, only two colors combined, white combined the main black color. Okay, how do you think this model? There are 5 colors for you to choose. Which is your favorite? Come to our store and search this model NF8018T. Okay, this is all for today. See you next time. Bye.